Today we have this 1955 Underwood Universal vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use all the functions and make sure they all work. The margins are located in the back of the carriage, and you just push and move like this. I like them at the beginning and the end of the paper, so that's where I'm going to set these. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single space, but if you want double or triple, there's a switch right here. And you can see there's a 1, 2, and a 3. So now we're on 2, and it'll skip 2, and now we're on 3, it'll skip 3. We're going to keep it on single for now and finish. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Very nice typing machine. Underwood made some of the best typewriters ever. Made in America. Anything you buy brand new is likely made in China, made from cheap parts. They break, they jam up. They're not engineered well. So you really got to go with these vintage typewriters if you want something reliable. And they are actually cheaper than those brand new typewriters from China that are basically worthless once you open the box. It's got all the well-made steel and metal. I'm going to show you how to use the rest of the functions. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip that switch forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock, or just pull out a page easy. Make sure you flip that back or else you won't be able to load the next page correctly. It's got a shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear it, you just hit the shift button again. Backspace on the top left here, and there's a tab function. I think we have a tab set in the middle. I think we don't have a tab, so we'll set one right there in the middle with this set button here, and it'll stop where you set it. To clear it, you hit the CL button on the left, and it should clear out that tab. We're going to keep a tab in the middle set right there, so that way if somebody accidentally hits that tab button, it doesn't go all the way to the end and cause wear and tear to the machine. There's a color selector switch right here with the blue, white, and red logo. We have an all black ribbon, so we don't need to use it, but if you have a black and red ribbon or a multicolored ribbon, you would just flip that switch down the red and it'll hit the bottom portion of the ribbon. Open the hood. We have the spools. All the brand new ribbon is loaded here on the right side, so it's pulling to the left. And on this model, it pulls clockwise to the left, but if you switch the direction with this switch right here, it'll pull counterclockwise to the right, but we don't want that to pull to that side, so we're going to switch this back. This is actually also a winding mechanism. On the Underwoods usually have that. It's got a carriage release on each side to control the carriage freely. All work good. And that is about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.